Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we will solve another example of integrands involving quadratic expressions. So this is the part 4, number 4, integral of dx over square root of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So this the question came from the FB group differential and integral calculus. So sabi niya, pa-help guys if tama ba, please. Okay, so let's solve this. So meron na siyang solution. So isa-solve lang natin ng detailed para malinaw. Okay, so let's answer this. Okay, so we have integral of dx over 3x square root of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we have a quadratic expression in the denominator. So we want to use the formula for integral of du over square root of u squared plus a squared. But first step, we need to resolve this by completing the square. So we will complete the square of this. So we have integral of dx. So we factor out the 3 in the 3x squared. So factor out 3, we have x squared minus 2x. If we factor out 3, so 2x can be written as 2 times 3x over 3, since 3 over 3 is equal to 1. So if we factor out 3, so what is left is 2/3 x. Okay, so we have x squared minus 2/3 x. And then plus, in completing the square, we need to add this. We will add 1/2 of b. 1/2 of b square. And b is the coefficient of x. The coefficient of x is 2/3. Okay? So we will multiply 1/2 of 2/3 and then square that. Okay? So therefore, we need to add. So cancel out 2. We have 1/3 square. So therefore, what we are going to add is 1 over 9. But remember, 1 over 9 here is multiplied to 3. So 3 times 1 over 9, that is equal to 1/3. So therefore, we add 1/3 to the expression. So to make it just the same with the first expression, 3x squared minus 2x plus 1, if we add 1/3, we need to subtract 1/3. So that we only add 0. We only add 0. So the identity element of addition. So therefore, it's still the same to 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. Okay, so we need to subtract 1/3 and then just copy plus 1 minus 1/3. Okay, so now express this into square of binomial. So we have dx over 3 and it is now equal to x, square root of x squared, and then its square root of 1 over 9 is 1/3. The middle is negative, so therefore we have 3 times x minus 1/3 x minus 1/3 squared. And then plus 1 minus 1/3, 1 can be written as 3 over 3. So 3 over 3 minus 1/3, that is 2/3. Okay, so therefore, we express this as u square. So this can be square root of 3 can be written as 3. That's equal to square root of 3 and then square. So that we can write that in expression square in the exponent of 2. So we have dx over, so square root of 3, 3 can be written as square root of 3 and then multiplied to x minus 1/3 and then we have square plus 2/3. So we get the square root of this, square root of 2 over square root of 3 square. Okay, so just simplify this. Let's multiply. So therefore, we have integral of dx over square root of 3 times x. So we have square root of 3x minus square root of 3 times 1/3. So that is square root of 3 over 3 squared plus square root of 2 over square root of 3 square. So now it is in the form integral of du over, so this is our u squared plus, this is the a squared. Oh, we forgot the square root. So square root, so we can solve this using the trigonometric substitution, or we have direct formula. We have ln So look at the direct formula. Ayan. So we have ln u plus square root of u squared plus a squared plus c. Okay, so that is the direct formula. Ln u plus square root of u squared plus a squared plus c. So our u here is square root of 3x minus square root of 3 over 3. So this is our u. Okay, so get the differential. Du is equal to, we have constant square root of 3. So we have square root of 3 dx. But we only have dx here. So therefore, we will multiply it by the neutralizing factor is the inverse of square root of 3. That is 1 over square root of 3. So we can multiply this to square root of 3 and then 1 over square root of 3. So that it is in the form integral of du over square root of u squared plus a squared. So now we can use the direct formula. Therefore, our answer will be 1 over square root of 3 ln of u. So this is our u, square root of 3 x minus square root of 3 over 3 plus the square root of u squared plus a squared. So this is the u squared plus a squared. But remember, this term is equal to the original expression is square root of 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So we will use this. Okay, so plus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 plus c. So this is the final answer. So let's go back to the post of one of the followers of differential and integral calculus. Let's see if we have the same answer. Okay, so 1 over square root of 3 ln square root of 3 times x minus 1 over square root of 3. So 1 over square root of 3, that's the same to square root of 3 over 3. We just rationalize. And then this term, so this is equal to the original 3x squared minus 2x plus 1. So, tama, sabi niya, tama ba please? Tama po ang inyong sagot. So, ito lang, pwede lang natin itong i-simplify dahil original nang galing yan dito. So, ibalik lang natin dito sa original na u squared plus a squared. Ayan. So, square root of 3x minus 2x plus 1. Original yan, galing yan dito. So, ito, square root of 3 times x minus, ito yung u squared plus a squared. Parehas din yan ito. So, therefore, tama yung sagot. Okay, so thank you for watching. At kung meron kayong integral calculus na question, i-comment nyo lang po dito sa aking channel or sa aking FB group na minamanage or sa aking messenger, DM nyo lang ako, RJ Enseñado. So thank you for watching. Bye-bye and God bless.